Hi everyone, my name is Eran Kinsbruner and I'm a Chief Evangelist and a Senior Director at Perforce. I would like to invite you to watch this episode of Software Testing Experts Talk hosted by Ajay. He invited me to talk about mobile testing in a nutshell, as well as talking about real versus virtual devices testing, and in general, what's happening in the mobile testing space. I'm bringing to this session a breadth of almost 21 years of experience in software development and testing. I authored few books, and I've done a lot over the past few years around mobile application testing, test automation, and continuous testing in DevOps. So I truly invite you to watch this episode. I'm going to touch on the leading mobile trends in today's landscape, give you an overview about mobile testing, a one-on-one test plan, how to build a test plan for your mobile application, the differences between virtual and real devices, and also conclude with a demo, followed by a lot of good questions from Ajay. So please join me and watch this episode. Looking forward. Thank you.